Now that you have practiced using screen coordinates, variables, shape drawing functions, and have many ways to consider how to layer and position things on the screen relative to each other, I believe you are ready for your next side quests. 4 villagers from town have come asking for your help. How many of these quests you choose to accept is up to you, and the amount of time and quality you put into them is also up to you. All I care about is that you take these opportunities to level up your skills, always going just a little beyond what you are already capable of. Before I introduce you to the villagers, they've each prepared a workspace for you and given you a base template on which you can build their requests. And feel free to change it as much as you'd like. When you finish, take a picture and share your final result under the appropriate side quest post so the community can appreciate your work. Links are in the description and on the webpage of this lesson. I think I've kept them waiting long enough. Let's meet the villagers and hear their requests.
Hi, I am the local alchemist. I've had a stall in the market, but I'm upgrading to a full shop in town, and I need shelves to display all 16 of my potions. I've got my shop sign already, and the potions are ready to go. I just need you to help decorate the shop and display them nicely. This is how the shop is prepared for you, and I've cast a levitation spell on the potions, as you can see. You can move them around yourself or just leave them be and build something like a bookshelf, like this, for me to place them on. You can change the floor design, the wall color, and make the display as fancy as you'd like. Just make sure I still have my sign and all 16 potions on display. I can't believe I'm going to have my own potion shop. Thanks to you.
Am I next? Oh, good. I'm a cartographer, a map maker that is, and I've heard you're quite the adventurer. I'm collecting maps of dungeons from all over the kingdom to help other adventurers survive. I have all the supplies, scrolls, pens, and ink. I just need you to draw what you remember from any dungeons you've explored. All I need is an outline of rooms and corridors. Oh, and it would be extra helpful if you could label the map either with words or symbols. Here's an example. Please make it as detailed as your memory allows. I'll accept any map, by the way, even if it's not a dungeon. Maybe you've explored a magical forest, or better yet, a dragon's den. I love maps so much, I can't wait to see what map you draw. Thank you very much.
Hello, dear. I'm an enchantress, focusing on spells of arcane geometry. I believe each of us possess a natural understanding of magic, and it's only a matter of focusing on it and allowing the creative spirit of the natural world to guide your hand. To test my theory of everyone's inner arcane knowledge, I'm collecting sigils, magical symbols, drawn from natural-born creativity, not the White Tower wizards with all their years of study, but raw potential ability that I sense in you. Here's a blank page from my collection. Draw whatever comes to mind in the square here, and let that guide your decisions of naming and describing what you think it does. Here's an example that I was just given recently, and it turned out to work. Absolutely fascinating, dear. Enjoy the process, and I so look forward to adding yours to my collection.
Good day to you. I am a tapestry weaver, specializing in the embroidery of emblems of noble houses, which they often request on banners and such to hang on their castle walls. However, I'm not so good at the design side of things, and with many adventurers finding their fortunes and elevating themselves to noble rank, they come to me asking for new emblems for their families. So, I'd love to have many banners on display in my shop walls for them to choose from. I have made 3 blank banners already for you to design house emblems on. Emblems can be anything. For some people prefer minimalism, while others are looking for familiar, recognizable items such as weaponry, the moon, flowers, or animals. What do you say? Can I count on your good graces to lend me a hand in this? Just imagine my shop walls filled with a variety of banners, vibrant colors and symbols everywhere you look. Thank you for helping make my dream come true.
Any or all of these side quests are ready and waiting for you. To get the carts and start working, you can either follow the links in the description, or scroll to the bottom of our lessons webpage, or open PICO-8, and this works in the Education Edition too. Type in load, space, hashtag, and then side quest with underscores, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Then press enter. As you can imagine, all of this took a lot of work to prepare, and we're happy to do it, but it's really thanks to our supporters here. Join us while we keep creating bigger and better content for all to enjoy. And have fun on these side quests. I can't wait to see what you create. Follow these lessons and more at nerdyteachers.com.